Want your invoices to look as professional as your business but don't know where to start with customization? If the template editor feels limited, you're not alone. Today, we're customizing an invoice template in QuickBooks to match your brand. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. A customized invoice reinforces your brand identity and makes your business look more established. QuickBooks offers several ways to do this. Step 1. Choose a base template. Go to Settings, then Custom Form Styles. Click New Style and choose an existing template as your starting point. The simple or modern templates are great, clean slates to build upon. Step 2. Make it yours. Use the design panel to upload your logo, change fonts, and adjust colors to match your brand. You can also drag and drop to rearrange fields, add a personalized message, or even set your payment terms directly on the invoice. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: add a Pay Now button for online payments. If you have online payment processing set up, ensure the Pay Now button is enabled on your template. This can dramatically reduce your days sales outstanding, DSO, by making it incredibly easy for clients to pay you immediately upon receiving the invoice. So, just like that, you can send out invoices that not only look great but also help you get paid faster. A professional presentation goes a long way in building client trust. Now I'm curious, what's the one thing you always include on your invoices to encourage fast payment? A message? Early payment discount? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.